back on here with another video. So this is a bob cut U-part, invisible part wig. Okay, I know it does not look like it, but I did my thing. I made this from start to finish. I'm going to show you guys how I made the wig, how I laid my tracks, how I cut the hair, and how I colored the hair. And you guys, this hair is from Wowqueen Hair in the lengths 18, 20, and 22. We are going to review this hair. I have so much to say about it, so I hope you guys watch it from beginning to end. Okay, so this is just my dome cap, and I'm showing you guys how I laid it out. If you see the white part in the front of the hair, it's basically showing you where I'm going to cut for my hairline. So that's my parting, and that's where I want it at. And this is also showing you guys exactly how I'm going to lay my tracks. So you can see at the parting, I want my tracks laid flat, straight across, so that I don't have to have a big leave out. And I also want my tracks on the side slanted because I want that swoop effect. So that's just a guide for me. And I'm just going to go ahead and start putting the 18 inches in. Excuse my voice, you guys. It is allergy season, but as you can see, I already started laying my tracks for the side to do my invisible parting so that when I have my edges out and the wind blows, it's seamless. It's seamless. So if you can see really closely, there's a knot right there. I'm going to cut where that knot is, but I've been laying 1-inch tracks across the side so that it's nice and seamless when the wind blows. I want to thank Wowqueen Hair so much for sending me this hair. I am going to go ahead and put in the 20 inches, but as you can see, this hair is not full from root to tip. I'm going to keep it real with you guys, okay? Okay, so this is how my parting is looking. I told you guys I want very minimal leave out. I want it to look as natural as possible. And when laying your tracks like this, it's very tedious. However, it is worth it because, baby, you see. Just stay tuned for the end of the video so you can see the ending result. So as you can see, look at that parting. Look at it. And when you flip the hair up and when the wind blows on the side, it's going to be very seamless because your edges is going to be out. And this is the finished result, you guys. Like I told you guys, this hair is not thick from root to tip. Look at the ends. The ends are very stringy and straggly, but that's okay because we're about to fix that. I'm not going to wear it at this length, but I wanted to show you guys exactly how it looked before I get into the cut. Okay. And look at that parting. I'm gonna cut off the black portion in the front, and what I'm doing now is I'm just gonna do like the ponytail blunt cut method. I don't know if you guys know about this, but it's very simple. It's very easy. Anybody can do it. I'm just making sure that all my hair is the same length and I have the ponytail where I need to have it at. And I'm just checking to make sure I have it at the length I want it at. I decided I wanted it a little bit longer, so I brought it a little bit past my mannequin head as a guide. And I'm just gonna cut in an upward motion. When you cut in an upward motion, you give it that layered effect. If you was to cut in a downward motion, it would give you more so of a blunt effect. But I have a little bit of a blunt and layered effect, and that's exactly what I wanted by cutting in an upward motion. And as you can see, I got what I wanted. You see the blunt cut, you see the layered up in the back a little bit. And I'm just going back through and I am cutting, you know, I'm getting the little strands and I'm pulling it out and making sure it's nice and even. So yeah, enjoy. It's really important that you take your time with this, especially if you're not a cutter. But once you pull the hair out, you can basically see the guideline and what you need to cut. And I'm sorry about this clip right here where my arm is kind of covering where I cut, but I did go ahead and even out the front portion of the hair, and I'm showing you guys how the cut looks. And to make sure it's extra crisp, it's extra precise, I did go ahead and pull my mannequin head forward just to actually see my cut and how it would lay if I was to bend forward or anything like that. So yeah, take your time with this, you guys, because your cut is really, that's really the most important piece of this, because you saw how the hair looks. It's not thick from root to tip, so it really could use a cut. And I will be dyeing this hair a soft black using the Revlon Color Silk. I'm dyeing this wig black because my hair is black, so I really wanted to blend seamlessly. And I'm using the Ziploc bag method. So I have the wig in a Ziploc bag, and I just poured all of the dye into the bag, and then I poured some water into the bottle, shook it up, and put it in the bag. And now I'm just moving the bag around, and I'm making sure that it gets all over the hair so that it processes the wig to completion. And hi guys, I am back. So I let the wig completely dry, and this is the finished result. It is dyed jet black. It is cut to precision. It's nice and thick after the wash. I did sew in 4 combs, 2 on one side, 2 on the other side, and I also have an adjustable strap in the back. And you can see the parting. Do you see any tracks? You don't see any tracks, okay? And that's what we wanted. We want that seamless effect. I'm so excited. I'm so freaking excited. And you can see a little bit of my leave out, but you see my combs slide right in, okay? I'm securing the one in the front, then I'm gonna flip it over, secure the one on the side, and secure the other one on the side. Oh my God, you see it. Look at that parting. Look at that parting. I have very minimal leave outs. I am looking forward to slaying this wig. And look at the parting on the other side. So I just want to show you guys how it looks fresh without being pressed out. This is just how it looks. And honestly, after seeing this, I could have worn it like this, but you know I gotta go that extra mile for y'all. But look at that. That looks like a lace, okay? That looks super natural. You see I have very minimal leave out, and it is shapoppin'. So Wowqueen hair, your hair is definitely very beautiful. But hold up, one second. I'm gonna go ahead and press this out really quick for you guys, so we can get the full effect, the full bounce of the hair. I can honestly say the shedding in the hair is very minimal, especially being that I cut my tracks a lot. And do you see the movement? We have movement. And I'm just using my hot comb to flatten out that side, and I'm also going back in with my flat iron. So it's kind of just a process back and forth until however you see fit. But this hair is really nice. I would recommend it. But if you wanted to wear it at the 18, 20, and 22 inch, I would definitely recommend another bundle. Anything after 18 inches, I definitely recommend 4 bundles. But look at this hair, you guys. Okay, look at the movement. And for this hair, for 3 bundles, 18, 20, and 22 inches, it is priced at $69.99. You can order this on Prime. Hit up the Amazon link down below to purchase this hair. I mean, and you can kind of see what the invisible part is doing for me. You see how much of a leave out I have. I'm just taking my hot comb and flattening out that side over there to make sure it's flat as possible. But you can see the parting is very natural, and I don't even have my hair flipped over yet, and you cannot see any tracks. So that is what the invisible part wig does for you, especially for girls who work out, corporate girls who, you know, want to go for a more of a natural look. That's kind of the look that I was going for, and you cannot tell me this is not my real hair, okay? Period. Period. Do you see the way that my hair just blended seamlessly? Seamlessly. That's what I was going for. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry, you guys. You know I get hyped, but look at that cut. Look at that. Anybody can do this. Follow the steps in the tutorial. Order this hair. It's an amazing price. It is soft. It is luscious. As you can see, the hair is not shedding. I've been wearing the hair for maybe about a week or two. I've gotten a little bit of shedding. I've gotten a little bit of tangling at the nape. Nothing too crazy. Put a little oil back there and it is fine. Okay, it is fine. I love it, you guys. Okay, you guys, it is time for me to skedaddle. I want to thank you guys so freaking much for watching this video. Hit the link down in the bio, and if you would like to order this hair, check the description box to pre-order your wig. Thank you so much. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.